Okay, so I'm at M&R. They do a bunch of DTF equipment, screen printing equipment, and I'm going to show you. Hello. I'm going to show you all these equipment. I'm same spot. Same spot. So I'm at M&R equipment. They sell technically screen printing, DTF, and look like some UV things. So I'm going to show you some of their equipment. This thing is massive. Okay. I'll put up their website on the video when I do this. So this is a forehead machine, right? This thing prints like a beast. So this thing prints like a beast. All right, look at this thing. All the way down here. This is a 24-inch cutter, printer. Right there. All right. So it prints, and then it has this little thing on the back of it, so it actually cuts out the design as you print. So you're printing and cutting at the same time. But if you don't want to cut, you can actually roll it at the same time right there. So it has a roll feeder on the end, so you can actually roll it too. Software. They have a built-in software, plus it has a, the guy was telling me it has a grip software behind this software, so you're getting two software in one package. Things looks nice, right? Over there, that's a massive screen printer right there. That thing prints screens automatically. Let me get over there real quick. Look at this thing. This thing is massive. Right, it automatically you put the shirt on. It has what, 10 squeegees on here? I think the guy says like 10 or 8 colors, one of the two of them. It dries it, applies a color, screen it. They have one color going on right now, but that's what it does. It just spins around, you load it up, you push the print button, and it just starts squeegeeing away. Then they dry it. It comes out right here. This thing's about ready to hit the floor. So there it goes. They come right out like that, like hotcakes. And then I have another one right over there. Same thing. This one does the same thing. Look at this. Man, this is awesome. So I'm guessing this blows the shirts off in there. Yep. Right in the bin, so you don't have to touch it.
Yep, no worries. Yep. Actually prints it through it.
So, oh, it does screen printing. It does DTF too. Look at this. It loads the prints, puts it on the shirt, and then spits it out on the end over there.
Dude, that's awesome.
So this is an actual heat. This is a DTF thing that you just load the stack of prints in here. So you print them off the machines, load them up in here, and you just literally press them for you, and then dump them on over there. That is actually pretty cool. And I guess somebody put the shirts on from over here. This thing's awesome. This one has 8 colors in the back of it. Now, this is big. And it prints 8 different colors. It has 6 heads in here. I was trying to get some information like more pricing and stuff, but I couldn't. So here's this machine right here. Sorry, this one. So I'll put all this information on the website, on the video, so you know, right under the video, so you can actually find the website and get all this information. But that's massive. This is also a 24-inch printer. I guess it's a cleaning station. You clean your stuff off here. Printer come over, you clean all the cleaning, the mess, all your cleaning over here. So the drawer opens and everything. It's pretty cool. Same thing, roll feeder right here, and then you can cut it, drop it in the bin, so you don't have to worry about messing with stuff. This thing is actually pretty cool. So what this thing does, it automatically cuts your design. So you actually roll feed it from this machine, and attach it on the back of this machine, the whole roll, and it literally cuts out the designs for you. So you and they actually cut out each one individually. So this is an automatic cutting machine, so you don't have to think about cutting it, and it actually registers with the design. The guy was telling me, barcode, scan it. It's pretty cool. So there it goes.
It's either going to be on it or it's not. I think you're too far over.
Look, see, scan the barcode.
So let's do this. We'll reset this.
And it literally cuts out the square design. So here it is. See?
We'll reset it after this one.
So it just cuts out the design. After Reed scans, it just cuts them out in squares. He said it also can cut out contour, so it literally contour it. There he goes.
And ideally, we can probably set it to 0, I would imagine.
See, look at that.
Right, we can get a little piece of tape.
That is pretty cool.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.